Welcome. If you're looking to disable push notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through a simple step-by-step process to get this done on your PC. Let's dive in. First, open your X account by logging in as you usually do. Once you're in, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Click on the More option at the bottom. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, choose Settings and Privacy. You're almost there. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Notifications to access your notification settings. Now find the Preferences section and click on Push Notifications. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a blue switch. Click this switch to turn it gray, which means you've disabled push notifications. Don't forget to click Allow when prompted. This step is crucial to ensure your settings save correctly. Finally, in the menu labeled Related to You and Your Tweets, locate the section titled Tweets. Make sure that the box in this section is unchecked. Once you've done that, you won't receive any account notifications, allowing you to enjoy a more distraction-free experience on X. And that's it. You've successfully disabled push notifications on your PC. Happy tweeting.